Hi everyone, I hope you all doing good. Again, coming with statistics, the original part of the statistic class has been started at here with the descriptive and inferring. Descriptive statistics includes methods of organizing, picturizing, and summarizing information of samples and population, whereas inferring statistics or inferential statistics involves methods of using information from a sample to draw conclusion regarding the population. Firstly, we can discuss about the descriptive statistics. It includes the grouped and ungrouped data, discrete and continuous data, mean, median, mode, harmonic mean, and geometric mean. Descriptive statistics starts with the measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency is the characteristics of an ideal measure. In simple mode, in simple words, it gives an idea about the single value which represents entire distribution. The following are some important measures of central tendency: arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. Characteristics for an ideal measure of central tendency. It should be rigidly defined, it should be easy to calculate, it should be based on all observation. Without any observation, it should not be an ideal. It should not be affected by fluctuations of sampling. When we're taking a sample, there might be some fluctuations too. It also should be capable for the further mathematical treatment. Coming to the mean, uh, mean is a set of observations, gives the sum of all observations divided by number of observations, and it is denoted by the x bar. It is very easy to understand and calculate, strictly based on all observations. If a single observation is missed, mean cannot be determined and should have been demerits also. Arithmetic mean cannot be used if you are dealing with qualitative characteristics like intelligence, beauty, honesty, etc. It cannot be calculated for open-ended classes like interval classes. Find mean of following data. Let me start with food items and frequency, which means uh, how many people are getting food for it. Let me start with junk foods like pasta, noodles, pizza, and burger. The who likes most pizza, pizza 60, pasta 20, noodles 150, burger 20, and we can sum average by equal to sum from open the parenthesis bracket and select the address of this cell where the frequency are located and hit enter. Let me just bold about the upper and total and some coloring, changing font and for details. Okay, let me adjust the width. Let me the 250 be the total. Okay, let's getting into the serial number by 1, 2, 3, 4. Enough. Let me just into the center and make some bold. Okay, let get with the serial number. Because we're doing on these items, we must go with the serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Enough. Let me get into center. No, write down the frequency 20, 150, 60, and 20. Let's sum these frequencies. We have, sorry, just be terribly. We have n equal to 4, total sum equal to 250. I'm nervous. This is my first practical sheet, so don't worry, guys. Next time I will be perfect with this. Now make the select these tables and go to formulas. There you find a average. Let me get uh, some highlight with yellow and with color indication and do bold, increasing size, and that is our average figure, average value. Therefore mean is equal to 62.5. Yeah, we totally find out the average at here. Increasing size, of course we simply got the mean right at here. Thank you. Meet you on next video. If you want to stay here and learn newly, please do subscribe our Guru Diksha channel and get our updates frequently. Have any doubts, please do mention at our comment section. Do like, subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.